Okay guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Today's video, I just wanted to show you guys what it's been like with living with my $30 Magnaflow rumble muffler, and just kind of let you guys listen to it and hear what it sounds like. I've had this muffler on here for about a year now, and I gotta say I really enjoyed it, and it gave it a nice sound, and I feel like it, if nothing else, performance wise, it was probably about 20 pounds lighter than the factory muffler, and I kind of felt like it had a pickup in performance as well. But here's what it sounds like after 1 year of using it. As you can tell, this has a very nice deep rumble to it that allows you to hear the cam to the engine, you know, from the factory, and has a little bit of noise whenever you get under it on the RPMs. And I just love how this muffler sounds, and for $30, I think you couldn't have picked a better muffler to put on your Dodge or really anything else. But overall, I would definitely buy this muffler again. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.